Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of FilmMaker. You will go to settings. Here you click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about FilmMaker Pro. Here we go to first stop and you click OK. Then we go here to storage. In this page we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.